Welcome back to LS Tech's unboxing reviews and tips. Today I've got this Satechi slim rechargeable aluminium Bluetooth wireless keypad. This will go really nice to your MacBook keyboards with the short keys. This one goes for around It goes for £40 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. Let's begin with unboxing. So if you got picture of the design at the front, as you can see, it's just a simple keypad. It's only 78mm thick at the thick end. So you can see it's a premium aluminium construction, Bluetooth, and it's a rechargeable battery. Okay, let's get this open now. Okay, nothing else in the box. We've got user guide how to pair it up. So all this instruction. Use it with your Mac, your iOS devices, your Android phone, Windows. So we've got a charging cable, and it's micro USB-C for charging. Got the keypad itself. Let's get it out here. Okay, that's the keyboard itself. I've got the gold color here. It's really nice and shiny, as you can see the camera. Keys feels really nice. We've got rubber feet. We got a connection button here to pairing it up. It's nice. So let me get the MacBook keyboard. You can just have it like this. Yes, I know I've got the gold one, it doesn't go as matching, but still nice. You can get the silver one, you can get a nice matching. I've got the old MacBook keyboard here, so it's not the same design as the new ones. The new MacBooks keyboards have this slim design, so for those ones it's going to go really nice. With the old keyboard it's not going to be the same, but it will still work. You've got the connection button here for connecting. Yeah, it's a nice little tiny keypad. Those people who still like entering passwords like this, just working things out. For £40, yeah, it sounds steep, but it should not be bad. So we got the power button here, some sensor thing, and we've got the charging port. Yeah, looks fine. For £40, maybe a steep purchase, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you guys.